All right, so artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing sectors in the crypto market. And over the past year, we've seen AI agents really explode and millions of dollars pouring into this sector. So recently, I invested in a project called AdEx that is currently available on some of the top exchanges in the world, but only is at a $15 million market cap. And if you look at where it's available on KuCoin and Binance and Gate.io and CoinEx and HTX, and the list goes on and on. So what's really impressive about this project is that they recently came out with like a demo and a new product called Aura. And Aura is AdEx's AI agent framework for the entire Web3 space. It's designed to deliver personalized insights and automated execution based on your portfolio and any on-chain activity you have. So it's very simple the way it actually works. And so while it is available right now, they are still in its demo, which is just like a glimpse into what it's going to offer. It's like a visual preview of the API-powered product that they're building. All you need to do is go ahead and click on Try Aura. It's going to bring you to this page right here. And from here, you just enter your wallet address. So we can just take this MetaMask wallet, for example, that I have. We're going to go ahead, copy that address, paste it right here, and then we can see exactly what their AI agent says. This is something that is very, very exciting because it gives you recommendations based on on-chain activity, and this is something that is really cool because they are only in their demo version, and with it they are still able to give you some real recommendations in real time. And this is really only just the beginning. Right now they only look at the user portfolio, but in the future they're going to look at adding external data sources. That's going to include current market trends, relevant information, and just a lot of exciting things. And they talk all about this over on their roadmap, which we'll go over in a minute. You can see it in their blog. They talked all about their 2025 roadmap. But if we go back and look at this demo, we can see exactly what they talked about with this wallet in particular. It says, look, some ways to benefit. It says lend USDT on Aave, Ethereum, deposit USDT on Aave to earn stable yields with high security and platform reputation. It says, this is one recommendation. It talks about providing liquidity on Uniswap for Ethereum. It says yield farm USDT on Curve. It says bridge USDT to an L2 via Ambir wallet for higher yields. And so you can see all of these different recommendations that it gives you for generating some additional APY. So this wallet is just one that I have, but any wallet you put in, it can give you recommendations. And the more you're trading in one of these wallets, the more assets you have in these wallets, the more recommendations it can give you. So this is something that is extremely exciting and cool because this is really just the beginning for their AI agent. This is already a real working product, and while it's still early, they have key features like automatic execution and fully AI driven decision making that is being developed. So if we look at it right now, it's just in the very early stages. This marks version 1 of Aura, and you can see that in their roadmap. So if we look at their roadmap, we can see it says V1, the prototype. That is basically where we're at right now. You can see all the specific strategies and things it talks about. It says the main strategies it talks about in V1.0 is about lending platforms, bringing funds to new networks for airdrops, participating in staking pools, etc. But then later on, you can see how they're going to have V2.0, V3.0, and you can see how all of these new features that it's going to have, like identifying promising new protocols, discovering potential airdrops, exploring new tokens to diversify holdings. It's going to incorporate live insights from Web3 app catalogs and a lot more. So like I said before, this is really right now just looking at the portfolio and the wallet address that you insert. But in the future, it's going to look at other data sources other than just your user portfolio. So that's something that is really, really cool in my opinion. Other thing I want to talk about is with their ADX token, because if we go back to AdEx, you can see how they have all the details about their token with tokenomics. So if you go ahead and click on ADX token, it's going to bring you right here, and here it shows you how this token is currently right around 10 cents per token at a $14 million market cap. The surprising thing about it is it has $5 million in volume, which is nearly a third. It's like more than a third of its market cap, which is an extremely high ratio. On top of this, it has 33.8% that is staked. Again, that is a massive, massive amount of supply to see staked. And so when you're seeing these numbers, it makes me very bullish about the project because ADX is already available on top exchanges, Binance, KuCoin, like all those major ones, and it's seeing really solid tokenomics, which again you want to see. In terms of token utility, there's a lot to talk about because first is going to be with staking. You can stake your ADX tokens via Ambir Wallet or the AdEx staking portal for pretty impressive rewards. If you go ahead and click on stake now, it'll bring you here, which is their in-house like staking platform directly on their website. You can see the total amount that is staked. It takes a minute to load. You can see it's over $4 million in Tom Pool. Loyalty pool is around $500,000, and you can see the benefits and yields that they're currently generating. Next thing is going to be in terms of utility, is Aura recommendations and premium features. So in terms of that, it says staked ADX boost recommendations, serves as a security guarantee and unlocks premium features like enhanced insights and higher limits within Aura. And you can also see about governance. With staked ADX token holders, they have the privilege to participate in governance voting. And with this, they're actively shaping the direction of AdEx and contributing to the decision-making process that drives platform's evolution and development. And these are just some of the exciting utility aspects of the AdEx token. So it's simple as ADX is already available on major exchanges, and you already can go about staking their token for some pretty impressive yield and rewards as well. So if we're just looking at AdEx, it is, in my opinion, one of the top AI agent projects to keep an eye out for 2025, for the second half of the year. Looking at it right now in terms of its numbers, it is very, very promising. $14 million market cap with $5 million in 24-hour trading volume. That's exciting to see. It saw that nice rally earlier in May when we saw Bitcoin hit its all-time record high. Has come back down a bit like many altcoins, but once we see Bitcoin start to rally again, I think this project could reclaim like $100 million market cap at some point in time. And looking at it, it's positioned as one of the top AI agent projects in the Web3 space. It has like the capabilities for integrating for decentralized applications, Web3 wallets, and something you really, really need to keep an eye out on. So check out their AdEx Aura AI agent. Put your wallet in there. You can see exactly what recommendations it gives you, and keep an eye out on this token for the remainder of 2025.